there, Tall Man Clan. Welcome back. Today we're in Salem, Virginia. We're at Pete's RV, and we're going to be looking at a Jayco Eagle series. This is 355 MBQS. Come on, let's go. So right away, when you come up here to the front, you got this gigantic storage area. You can put a lot of bins in there. You got your compartment. This is a 30-pound propane tank. You could actually put a 40 in there if you wanted, but individual tank on this side, and I believe there's one on the other side. If you back up, Lisa, there's an awning that goes from all the way from the front of the RV all the way over to this door. And then there's a second awning that starts on the outside of the slide here. Right next to your front storage compartment is a little outdoor kitchen, micro fridge, little storage area. This little port right here, this is where actually your grill would go. Lisa, go back to the storage for a second. See that right there? That slides into that little port and you would put your grill on top of that stand. So it's kind of nice. It gives you sort of a larger outdoor kitchen area.
Very nice.
So here you've got your ground control system, right? Your 3.0, that's hydraulic, 6-point auto level. Correction, I called this hydraulic level system. This is an electric, a 6-point electric level system. Oops. You got your step above step, nice extended handrail. This is rated for full time. So it's 4 seasons, it's got the climate shield on it. As we come around to the back side here, see there's a ladder to get to the roof, pre-wired for a backup camera. There's also a utility hitch for towing package. Actually, there's a 3,000-pound towing rating on this hitch, Lisa.
Wow, that's impressive.
So for states that allow you, what do they call it, double towing or triple towing, meaning your truck, your fifth wheel, and then a trailer behind it, you could tow a 3,000-pound trailer. Now there are 3 side slides, as you can see on this side. This is not a storage compartment. This is access to the refrigerator. You'll see the refrigerator when we get inside. One of your hookup points for your sewer is right there. It's underneath the slide. So it would be hard to access once the slide is out. But the good news is the pulls are up here, so you wouldn't have to crawl underneath there to pull it. There is your controller for your auto level system. Also your emergency power cutoff. Other 30-pound propane tank, there it is right there. So let's get a look at the numbers, huh?
Sure.
So this has a gross vehicle weight of 15,200 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,066 pounds. So when this sucker is empty, you're a little over 13,000 pounds. Moving on to the front. This one's got the Rhino pin box, so not exactly basic, but not exactly completely upgraded either, sort of in the middle. And then back here's your utility area. Room for a generator, your batteries, and some additional storage if you want. So let's go inside. All right, so when you come in the back here, you've got your opposing slides, which I absolutely love. It just gives you so much area. And all the way to the back, this is sort of a standard setup for rear living room. You've got a sofa here that pulls out to be a bed, couple of cup holders. There's some sort of nightstands or end tables, depending on how you're using it. If it's a sofa, it's an end table. If it's a bed, it's a nightstand, right? There's power and USB on that side. And this side, as far as the shades go, you have night shades, no day shades, just night shades. And then to my right, to y'all's left, are your theater chairs. These are manual, meaning there's just a pull, there's no electric, okay? Cup holders on the left, nice little storage area in here. Directly across from me, got a nice big TV, it's like a 50, with a JBL system underneath, as well as a 34-inch fireplace, which if you didn't know, that also doubles as a heater, which Lisa loves because of her freakishly tiny cold feet.
Yep, absolutely. And the ceiling fan overhead, so when I toast you out.
Fan on for me, heat on for you.
Yes, exactly.
All right, then the kitchen.
Yes, we have this nice big island that is solid surface. It's offset the way you like it, Robert, so that you can have your dishes over here. Look at that.
Uh-oh. You know what time it is. Did I just do that?
We have a 50-50 sink here with a nice tall faucet. Again, we think this might be for...
It's water, it's filtered water.
For filtered water, yeah. We do have A large, big, yeah, see,
Yeah,
there's
see?
your tank.
Yeah, the filtered water.
That is definitely filtered water. So we have nice space underneath with your garbage can there. We get tons of storage everywhere else. Talking about storage, we have a nice big pantry. Look at that.
Nice adjustable shelves too. Mm-hmm. Let's give it the test. Ooh, and solid nonetheless. Pull to open liquid chalk board. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's probably covered in.
Yeah, so you just take this off here, right? And then that's like a liquid chalkboard.
Over here, so I guess we'll start with a microwave. We have this huge microwave that is not convection. A little bit of storage here. We have a 3-burner Furrion stove. We have an oven. A little bit of counter space there. That is solid surface as well. Then we have storage drawers. And I believe a big storage drawer underneath. And there is a dish drainer and a cutting board for your sink.
Excellent.
Behind me, we have this locked refrigerator freezer. It is a Whirlpool, but we're not going to get in there.
Oh, we're going to get in there.
Oh, we're getting in there.
You all know me. We're getting in there. Oh, yeah. We're getting in there.
All right. Look at this nice big refrigerator freezer. I like the side-by-sides.
Yep.
Imagine all the ice cream you can put in there.
Yeah, with the water in the door and the ice in the door.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice big coffee bar, Lisa.
Yes. And there is a USB as well as power here and a light.
It's not going to work.
No, it's not.
Cabinetry everywhere.
Yes.
Nice.
Right?
Some drawers there too.
Absolutely.
Now, this almost looks like it would double as a washer dryer area, but I don't think so because
it's not deep enough.
It's not, but it's got this like shelf that can go up and down.
Oh, I like that.
So you can subdivide that.
Yeah.
Right. If you want to use this for sort of like an entry closet and hang your jackets and stuff, there's octopus hangers in there.
Right. I like that.
Yep. And then as we continue to go forward, this is where we came in. There's your door. Right here is your panel for controlling everything in the RV. But right in front of you is this cool little door. This is the MB or mid bunk. All right, and so you have a fold down sofa. It's sort of a love seat, if you will. 2 cup holders, as you can see. And then that's a bunk up top there. So it's just sort of latched in. You see one? Yeah, thank you. And it just rests on that. So you could actually sleep several people in here. Right across from this is a desk. So it kind of doubles as an office, which is really neat. So this is probably be my editing suite.
Yeah, probably so.
Where all the tall man edits go. And you got some room up there for all the hard drives we have to put together. Oh my Lord. All right, so there's your sort of mid bunk. And then above, you've got sleeping space up here as well, which is great. And there's a little sign there. 1 bunk is 300 pounds and a dual bunk is 600 pounds. I also like that there's a ladder built in.
I love that.
So it's just sitting right there all the time.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And then, oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Toilet's Toilet Test.
For those of you joining us for the very first time, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as I'm walking around the RV. And as you can see at my height, there are no issues with this toilet at all whatsoever, so definitely. All right, right across from me, you have a nice sink with some offset countertop area for all those lotions and potions and soaps and things that you like to leave out.
That looks like it's solid surface too.
It is not.
It is not, okay.
Yep, it's faux. Yep, a nice little also sort of faux tile backsplash, which it's nice. Right?
Yeah.
We'll go down below.
Sure.
This interesting sort of bluish cabinet, which there's tons of storage in it, but it's just an interesting color. Same thing with the medicine chest. It's this sort of bluish color.
I think it is. It's kind of,
As far as the height goes, I can see from here down when I'm standing up straight. You know, if I scooch, then I'm good. So there is some octopus hangers over here for hanging towels. And when you're not using your towels at all and they're completely clean, there's a place to store them. Nice space for all your linens.
Yeah.
It's deep. It goes all the way back in there, Lisa.
Does it? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure I could reach the wall here. Let's see. Oh, I just can touch it.
Can you?
Yeah, that's pretty deep in there. All right, let's climb in the shower, everybody. Oh, I love this shower. Look at this, guys.
Oh, very nice.
This is great.
Yeah.
It's not too often I get in a shower and then I've got full head clearance regardless of the skylight. I call it a bubble, right? So even if I'm standing here or here, I've got, let's go 4.5 to 5 inches, right? So 6'4", so 6'8" to 6'9" before I'm touching this part. Never mind the bubble. So if you're tall like me, this is a pretty good shower. All right, you got your glass shower doors. Not my favorite. It's just a pet peeve. I'd rather have the retractable one. That's just me. There's a little bench back here. I love the faux, is that herringbone, right? Mm-hmm. Tile pattern. Right. And then you got your shower head. Now, this shower head is not adjustable. It's just hung. It's not on a bar, so you can't raise it or lower it. It is a handheld, so you can, obviously take it down and do stuff, but normally there'd be it's just a budget thing, right? And so, yeah, decent size shower in here, Lisa. Now, I didn't mention the toilet porcelain foot flush.
Ah, okay.
Right? So, yeah, decent bathroom. On-demand water, too, hot water, on-demand hot water. All right, so this looks like an RV queen, or RV king, sorry. Yep, 80 by 72. Is that at the end there? 72?
Yeah, it is.
80 by 72. So this, again, RV king. So you're not going to be able to buy a residential mattress for this. You'll have to buy an RV mattress. We'll lay on it so that you can get some reference at my height. So, I mean, there's plenty. 80 is a standard depth for residential queens and kings. There are no cup holders or anything there. There's a tiny little shelf on either side. So I'd be a little afraid to put a cup up there that you might knock it off. There is power down on that side. I'll check the other side for you guys. Yep, power down there as well. So if you have a CPAP, you'd probably have to put that down on the floor. Directly across from the bed is your TV and your dresser. 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers.
That's a lot of drawers.
7
yeah.
drawer.
7 drawers.
7 drawer. There you go. Little ones there.
Bigger ones
some
there.
bigger ones there, which is nice.
Mm-hmm.
And then up front, you have a nice big closet. And if you wanted to do a washer dryer, this is where it would go. One would go on this side. That would be the dryer, if I remember correctly. And that, yeah, there's your water right there. You can see it. So you put your washer and dryer on opposite sides of this closet. And there's mirrors. They're sort of dark, but they are mirrors. Hi, everybody. All right, so there you go. 355 MBQS. Again, I don't think we've seen this model before either, Lisa.
I don't think so.
We've looked at so many RVs, and amazingly enough, we keep on coming across ones that we've never seen before. Let us know what you think of this model down in the comments, all right, if this fits your needs, okay? Mm-hmm. If you're joining our channel for the first time, y'all know what to do, right? Thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It helps out the channel a lot, costs you nothing, right? And again, we thank you up front. As far as the Tall Man Clan goes, God bless you guys. We really do appreciate you. Until we see you all again on the road, be safe.